You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutters.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That is every Tuesday and Saturday. You guys get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. We get to on and pop, we keep it rocking, we ain't stopping, period. Okay, so in today's video, y'all, I'm gonna try to make it really quick. I want to do a review on Kreyo Essence Haitian black castor oil product line. Like, I bought the entire, it was some line, it was something, some kind of like set that they have. Like, I like to get sets now so I can try out the complete set, but I actually stumbled on this by chance. I actually didn't, nobody recommended this to me. I was just searching some black owned hair care product lines and I came across this and I started using this line in I don't know, I'm gonna have to have my dates right, so I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna put it on the screen, but I know it's been a little over it's been about 3 months since I tried this out, and honestly, y'all, this one, this Haitian black castor oil, I was using it in my hair at first, but I felt like it wasn't doing anything for me. But as far as like, cause you can use this on your body and you can use it in your hair. A lot of it's like your computer and stuff can hear your thoughts and stuff. And as soon as I had found this line, that's when I started seeing a lot of promoting for it. And I'm like, what the hell? Like, I was never seeing this before I bought it, before I started, you know, before I got it or before I found the line. But they have different types of oil that you can get from their line, but I got this one, the Haitian black castor oil, and this is the rosemary mint kind. And to me, it doesn't really work for my hair, but as far as like a body oil, I love it for that. I love it for that. So I stopped using it in my hair because to me, I didn't feel like it was working. I didn't see like any improvements to my hair, because y'all know me, when I get something, I stop using one something and I compare it to my my Canvas Beauty brand oil, and I had stopped using my Canvas Beauty oil for about a month when I got this to see if I could see it grow in my hair, and I don't think, to me, I didn't see any improvements in my hair. So I started using it for my body and I love it for my body. So I took it and I poured it out and I just added it to some lotion that I have to use for my eczema. Y'all know I have eczema, so I put this, I use this for my body. It works perfectly for my body. However, the shampoo and the conditioners, I love for my scalp. It just makes my scalp feels like, I don't know, like when my scalp was inflamed, I would use this and it would make my scalp feel so good, because it's a scalp care, it's for your scalp. A scalp care shampoo and conditioner, and I love it for my scalp. But my favorite thing that I like to use out of this line, because it's a whole set, so it comes with this, the shampoo, conditioner, and this pomade. I love this pomade, y'all. I don't know, to me, I just feel like I can feel it working, incorporating it along with my oil. These two products I use together and I feel like it's like a match made in heaven. This, with this Canvas Beauty brand serum, is wonderful together. I ended up, because I was running low on it, so I ended up taking this and adding it with some more stuff so I can like get more of it so it won't run out so quick, because I was using it, like using it. That's how good this pomade is to me. It's like a black pomade, so you might not like the color of it because it can get under your nails and all of that, and it can, I wouldn't wear white if you're gonna use the pomade, but I love it. I feel like it really works wonders for my hair, and it really does work in terms of growing my hair, because I started incorporating it along with my oil. And I know I told y'all that I was only using the Canvas Beauty brand, but I didn't want to talk about this pomade before. I didn't want to talk about the pomade because I knew I was going to do this review, and I didn't want to mention it while I was doing that video because I wanted to wait until I did this review on this pomade. But I do incorporate this pomade along with this oil, and I've been doing it religiously now for about a month, and it really has been working wonders for my hair. I love these two combinations together. Now I did want to tell y'all that I am thinking about cutting my hair, because I just had, look, I know my hair is starting to grow back, and y'all like, ah, your hair is growing back, but why you want to cut it? You know, you've been working. I just had an epiphany, y'all. I just want my hair to be even all the way around, and even though my hair is growing right now, I feel like I want to just cut it off, because you know, this hair is like a representation of 2020. It is just 2020 is not the jam for me, so I feel like I'm gonna cut my hair off and just rock a little low haircut, and then probably just yeah, start over with my whole hair journey and see if I can like get it to grow, you know, get it to grow and be healthy. But right now I'm in the space of wanting to cut my hair off. Y'all just comment in the comment section what y'all think. I know y'all probably say, but Kai, you've been doing this, and you've been, you know, you're going with your hair journey. But I feel like this would be better, because if I cut it off, it all will be the same length, and then we can just see the growth from there. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna be using my Canvas Beauty products. So the hair is gonna grow. I already know with using the Canvas Beauty brand products, it's gonna grow back fast, so I'm not worried about that, because I did cut my hair at one point and I loved it. I had a low haircut for about a month and switch it. I just want to rock a low haircut for about a month now. But yeah, that was my review of this Kreyol Essence hair care line. As far as this oil, it may work for other people, but I just feel like it didn't work for my hair. And I was using it for about a month. I stopped using the Canvas Beauty brand for an entire month, and I never told y'all that, but I stopped using the Canvas Beauty brand for a month, and I started using that, and this wasn't doing anything for my hair. So that's when I started back using my Canvas Beauty brand, and I started using this pomade with it like a month later, and together this was like a match made in heaven, because it grew my hair back perfectly. And ever since then, like, my hair has been growing back crazy. But now I want to cut it back off. So it's like, hi, you sat here and told us how it was growing your hair back, and now you want to sit here and cut your hair off. But yeah, I'm gonna cut my hair off, y'all, because I want to rock a bald head. I want to rock a bald head, so I just want to switch up my hairstyle. I just want to cut my hair off, and then we're just gonna start our whole hair journey over. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I didn't want to make this one too long because I really didn't have much to say, because the oil is something that I don't prefer. But if you guys want to try a pomade, I don't know if you guys are into pomades. I really wasn't into pomades myself. This is actually my first time actually getting a pomade and actually using it on my hair every day. And it's a good thing to add to your natural hair care routine if you want to just, you know, see if it'll speed up your hair growth as well. I feel like it's a good thing, because to me it's working. To me it's working. And I've been using this pomade for probably like a month, because this one actually didn't come when I got the oil and the conditioner and shampoo. It actually came like a month later, because they were actually out of stock, and they had to send it later, and that's when I started using it along with the Canvas Beauty brand. And that's when I discovered that these are a match made in heaven. So yeah, you guys, you should try out the pomade. If you don't try anything else on the line, try out the pomade, because the pomade is really good. It really has been growing my hair. And yeah, that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces. Mwah.